Because, look, now the crows are sitting on the bench. Are you hot, Kelly? Yes, I am. Let's go somewhere else. I'm thirsty.
Thirsty. And then, where did you get the number 4?
They fly.
They fly and fly to look for water. Kelly is unhappy. What is the matter? Are you tired? Yes, I'm very tired and thirsty and hungry. Then?
Thirsty. Oh.
Thirsty. Then?
So they look for water. Look.
They look for water. Then where did you get the number 4? Why you answer there is number 4?
Because look, 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
We have to say it. And then look for the water. They look. They fly to look for water.
So why is the answer is number 4?
Because look, elders already finished, so the number 4 is here. Number 5, they go home, rest, eat, and drink.
Okay.
You have to take all of the food and drink.
So where is the other one that you didn't finish yet?
You don't have to do this, only the one.
And then where's the other one? How about these?
This already finished.
Are you sure? Let me check this.
Yes.
How about?
Well, you
this?
don't need to do that.
Then why you don't need to do this? Then you did this.
Because I just sneaky to do that.
But this one
next time I don't have to
behave.
So next time I don't have to do it. This one don't have to do it.
Are you sure, huh? Then where's the other one? What is the other one?
Another one?
This one, the last one.
Oh yeah.
How many homework do you have today?
Just so many. That's it.
No more other? So where's your mathematics now? This one. So all this is done already, right?
妹妹很可愛，我們都很愛。
Pati Chinese kami nagagawa. O, ayan, di ba? Hindi ko alam kung paano ko kukuhanin yung inchik niya na yan. Di ba na ako nag-aral ng Cantonese?
Wow.
So, all the homework done. This one done. Done. Let me see your one, Aidan. Excuse me. Pag hindi namin nagawa ito, ako na naman na mapuputukan. Where is this, Aidan? Where is this, Aidan? Where is this homework? Where's this homework? Page 5?
Now I'm doing that one.
Okay, then we have to correct it. Okay. But this one, correction. Page 9 and 10. Which one? Where is it one? Where is this one, Aidan?
都很愛。
Behave. WSP, what's this? This one maybe. Reading. Reading, correction, page 1 and 12. Yes,
I don't know how to do this Chinese.
Try, you have to try. We still have 5 minutes. And you have a correction here. The reading, look at the correction is 11 to 12, and correction 9 and 10. Okay.
No, somebody has to correct it. But maybe I have to correct it.
Yeah, then it's going to the river. Then correct. Where's the correction here? Okay, if you don't know that one, then you have to focus with this one first, so that we can go. Okay, help me to find the correction here, because you have a correction from page 9 and 10.
Look at this one.
Oh yeah, that's a
River.
Okay, then why is that correct? Why is that wrong?
Dan is going to the home because he's going home, but he look at the river. He see the river.
Okay, and then where did you put the answer?
Dan is
Okay.
going
And
Mm.
you have to write it properly. Otherwise,
Okay.
you
To
going home. Dan is going.
Dan is going
Ho, tongaw. Dan is going
home.